All right, guys, today's adventure, the golf cart blew the rear hub out, so that's sweet. So like I said, I blew out the rear hub on our golf cart. It's a 1993 36 volt EZGO Marathon. Okay, so we were lifted, we got big tires on it, we got a high-speed motor in there. We haul the whole family on it. We use it every single day, and this is, I think, the third hub I've been through. So what happens is you'll be driving, and all of a sudden, it'll just be dead in the water. It won't move anymore. It'll just, you'll start hearing that. When you hit the gas, you'll hear it, and it won't move. So it's a dead giveaway. Probably ripped those splines out of the hub. I guess it's pretty common on these. I read up on it a little just in the forums because I'm like, what the heck? I don't know. Sounds kind of common. But anyway, so I believe it's on the driver's side, so we'll get it ripped apart and kind of walk you through the process and let you laugh at my misery. Because everything's broke around here pretty much most of the time. It's good times. Well, that ain't good. Splines are completely gone, sheared off in this thing. Nice. Clean out these grooves. Oh, and there's our splines. See it? Yep, they're still stuck in here. Perfect. All right, so you want to get, if you look right here, that's a problem. These are all the splines out of the hub. So those splines are stuck inside of the splines on the axle, so I take a pick and I dug them all out and they fall down here. Then you take a brush, make sure that's clean. Take your little carb cleaner, right? Just hose it down, make sure that's completely clean and ready for your new hub. So we got the hub from Amazon. This has happened quite a few times, probably because I buy cheap hubs. The 10 LOLs. But there it is. There's a brand new one. It actually has the splines, right? Got splines, no splines. So this ought to get us fixed up and back on the road. So at least for another 6 months. All right, get this all slid on. If this thing didn't have so much horsepower, we wouldn't be tearing up the hubs. It does have a high-speed motor, but I don't know. So anyway, just slide her on, slide that guy on, slide this guy. This is for your cap, right? So that's what that's on for. Take your nut, get that on there, which this thing is rough too. It looks like somebody else has been in on this side. But let's get it back together. We'll get this on and get it cotter pinned. Get this baby bent, put on. There we go. Now we'll get the cap put on real quick. This dust cap put on, a little soft mallet hammer. Now mine's running a wheel spacer, so I'll throw the wheel spacer on real quick. Get it ready for the wheels. Get this wheel all tightened up. Get her dropped down on the ground here. All right, get her on the ground. Pull our chalk out and try her out. All right, see if it moves. Oh yeah. All right. Let's see what happens. runs good. All right, she's back home. Perfect. All right, guys, so that's how you replace the hub on one of these EZGO Marathon golf carts. So not too bad. Pretty quick and easy. Sorry about the video being one way and then the other way. We were going to make a short out of it, but then it ran over a little bit, so it got a little too long. So sorry about that, and hopefully you learned something if you're changing out one of these hubs, and see you in the next one.